This harmful element is only found on Ignos. Citrium is an incredible orange complex crystalline substance which actually leeches life from those who handle or are shot or stabbed with it. Ignos warriors and mercenaries of high rank sometimes choose to train to become tolerant or completely immune to its effects, allowing them to use this rare crystal for weapons and armor. Citrium is slightly harder than viridium, making it considerably harder than euphorium. Up to 6 kg can affect one individual at one time. Carrying citrium is a task usually reserved for those with the citrium resistance and citrium immunity skills of the mighty. Low-grade citrium, almost yellow in color, deals dBp per round per kg to the holder. 3 decibels per round if a projectile is embedded, plus 2 dBp if wounded with a melee weapon or bullet that passes through the body of low-grade citrium. Standard-grade citrium, a middle amber, drains 2 dBp damage per round per kg, 4 decibels per round if embedded, plus 3 dBp damage for citrium hand-to-hand weapons or shots that penetrate through. High-grade citrium, which is of the deepest orange, subtracts D2p per kg per round. If shot with a bullet of high-grade citrium that embeds, 3d2p per round is suffered. If the bullet does not embed in the flesh or the victim is struck with a weapon of this rare and insidious substance, 2d2p extra damage is also taken. If a projectile embeds, damage is suffered every round until it is removed. Ranging in hue from a pale apple green to a dark forest shade, viridium is the bane of magicians everywhere. Its origins are on Ignos, as are those of citrium. It has a similar effect on magic points as citrium has on health points when held or embedded. It is harder than euphorium, but one softer than citrium. Cohesium is a hard, heavy, non-conductive, non-magnetic metal. Malleum is a metal that has a memory for the shape it has been forged into, and a certain amount of elasticity. This element is used to shroud and protect individuals from the effects of viridium and citrium. High-grade bastium can even insulate the peripheral effects of hadium. Amplium is an incredible white-grey metallic crystal. Its effect is to magnify any wave put through it. It can be used as a lens for a laser, +8 but is really hard to find. Or as the final lens in a series of 2, in the case of a sequential laser. Any wave effect, sound, electricity, microwave laser that is put through an amplium muzzle shroud will be at +8. Low-grade amplium is +7, high-grade amplium is +9. High-grade amplium lenses for laser weapons are 75% burnout. Standard amplium -50% and low-grade amplium is 25% chance of burnout. Amplium has an AF of 5, one lower than azurium. If used as a second stage lens, amplium is a damage % chance to burn out. Normal lenses could not handle this feat at all. Low-grade X2 chance, high-grade 1/2 chance. Rhizonium has a similar yet distinct quality to amplium. It is a murky grey crystal that increases the range of a wave rather than making it more powerful. It leaves the wave 99.998% the way it was. It just reaches, in the case of standard rhizonium, 3x as far. Low-grade rhizonium shrouds grant X2 range. High-grade rhizonium makes a harmful wave travel 4 times as far as it otherwise would. Rhizonium has an AF of 4, one lower than amplium. The hadium crystal, a pinkish-red to crimson gem of the cosmos, is an extraordinary find, possessing the combined effects of both viridium and citrium. A substance harder than citrium by 1 AF, it ranks as the toughest known crystal on Earth. Its rarity and potential danger make it a treasure among the highest-ranking Ignosians who have developed an immunity to its effects. Prophets reputed for their immunity to crystal effects also utilize hadium when discovered. However, for the majority, the key to wielding hadium lies in its transformation to inert hadium. This process of nullification is arduous, requiring specific character classes to transport the meteorite-born hadium through hostile environments back to the Techs and Earth elementalists for extensive rituals and treatments. The Ignosians have mastered the art of amplifying, magnifying, and optimizing crystal. Amplification expands the area of effect of a crystal by D3m/kg, while magnification enhances the crystal's potency, inflicting D3 times its normal effect. Optimized crystalline possesses both amplification and magnification properties, but the true gem of the crystal world is the morphic crystal. A rare find, it is highly coveted by those in the know. Its properties and potential uses remain a mystery, to be unveiled in the next scene. As we delve into the world of these crystals, remember to use non-eye stock generic close-ups of the best equivalent material.